Hello. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Matholics. We'll be starting the session in next 1 minute. Till then, kindly share this lecture with all your friends. Okay, so we'll be starting the lecture in next 1 minute. We have done question number 31st yesterday. 32 to 38, we'll try to complete today only. Section D and Section E. I know these are very weightage sections. Section D itself is of 20 marks. So let's see. Okay, so the last question we did was, now this lecture is for class 10 students, those who are really struggling with mathematics. Okay, PYQ session, CBSE question paper 2025, set number 1. We are discussing the question paper which itself came in this year only. Okay, 10th of March 2025. This question paper came as set 1 standard. Okay, I'm doing standard. You try basic questions. That will be really easy for you. Okay, so now let's start the session with. Okay, so let's start the lecture. In the adjoining figure, x, y, and x dash, y dash are parallel tangents to a circle with center O. Another tangent AB touches the circle at C, intersecting x, y at A and x dash, y dash at B. Prove that AB subtends right angle at the center of the circle, or angle AOB equals to 90 degrees. This we have to prove, and we had proven. Okay, we already have proven this. Okay, now next question for today's evening is section D question. Okay, a two-digit number is 7 times the sum of its digits and 2 more than 5 times the product of its digits. Find the number. Find the number. We have to find the number. Okay, now now how to find the number? See, how to find the number? See, question is given that there is a two-digit number. There is a two-digit number. Okay, sir. Fine. There is a two-digit number like this. Okay. This one is the tens digit, and this one is the unit digit. Okay. Okay, this is the number. So I say let the tens digit, let the unit digit is x and tens digit is y. Okay, so a two digit number is 7 times the sum of its digits. So the number will be equals to, so the number will be equals to 10 into tens digit means 10y and plus x, right? I guess this concept you all must be knowing, and if not, this is the right time to understand this one. Okay. Question says a two-digit number is 7 times the sum of its digits. A two-digit number is there. So if the unit digit is x and tens digit is y, so I can write number equals to 10 into y plus x, 10 into tens digit plus unit digit. Okay. Also, this number is given that it is 7 times the sum of its digits. That means this number 10y plus x will be equals to 7 times sum of the digits means x plus y. Got this point, every one of you? So now if you open the brackets, 10y plus x equals to 7x plus 7y, right? So keep y here and x there. So 10y minus 7y is equals to 7x minus x. Yes, this x gone there, this y came here. So 10y minus 7y, it is 3y, and that's equals to 6x. Okay, this is 3. This is 3. 3y equals to 6x means 3y equals to 6x means y equals to 2x. Got this point? Yes or no? Y is equals to 2x. Okay, this is relation. Equation number 1 we have got. Let's see what the equation, second equation says. I think every one of you must have understood, yeah? Okay. Now another relation is given that this two-digit number, first it was given that this number is 7 times the sum of digit. That means x plus y. Okay. Sum of digit means one digit is x, another digit is y, x plus y. Now it is also and 2 more than 5 times the product of its digits, means this number is also equals to this number is also equals to 2 more than, means 2 plus 5 times the product of its digit, means 5 times product, means xy. Got this point? 2 more than means 2 plus 5 times the product of the digits, means xy, 5xy. So number was 10y plus x equals to 2 plus 5xy. Instead of y, put 2x. So it will be 10 into 2x, and it is plus x is equals to 2 plus 5x into, instead of y, I am putting 2x. Okay. Just put equation 1 to this step. 10 into 2x, it is 20x plus x equal to 2 plus 5 2s are 10x square. So it is 30x is equals to 2 plus 10x square. If you bring 30 to this side, it will be negative. Here it will be 0. So 0 equals to 10x square minus 30x plus 2. That means final quadratic equation I got is 10x square minus 30x plus 2 equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. You can solve it by quadratic formula, or you can use splitting the middle term also. Okay. Sorted, yes or no? Everyone understood? Yes or no? Use quadratic formula. So write d equals to b square minus 4ac would mean minus 30 square. B is this, minus 4 into 10, 4 into 10 into 2. Got the point? 4ac. A is this, C is this. So it is minus 900 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 10s are 80. Right? We have done right or no? 4ac. 4 into 10 into 2. 40 into 2, 80. Yes. So it will be 720. No. We are doing some mistake. Yes or no? Are we doing some mistake? Some mistake is there. Let me see. A two-digit number is 7 times the sum of its digit. Okay. So 10y plus x equals to 7x plus 7y. So 3y equal to 6x. Okay. So y equal to 2x. Done. Okay. So number is 2 more than 5 times the product of its digit, means 2 plus 5xy. Okay. 10y plus x. So 10 into y means 10 into 2x. 20x plus x. Oh, it is not 30x. It is not 30x. It is 21x. Okay. It is 21x. Okay. Hmm. It is 21x. Okay. 21x. So, right. So it is, instead of 30, I should write 21. Okay. How I found this mistake? Because it was not a perfect square coming out like that. And it will be minus, okay, minus 21 square. Okay. Okay. So it is 21 square, 441. Okay. 4. Now it is correct. Right. So D will be equals to, subtract 441 minus 80, do it, 39. So 361, see? 361, yes or no? Yes, right. So it is 19 square, obviously. It is 19 square. So I'll write x equals to minus b plus minus under root d by 2a would mean, minus b would mean minus of minus 21 plus minus under root of 361 by 2a would mean 2 into 10. That means x is equals to what? minus minus plus 21 plus minus 19. 361 under root 19 whole by 20. So one time I'll write x equals to 21 plus 19 means 40 by 20. That means 2. Another time I'll write 21 minus 19 means x equals to 2 by 20. That means 1 by 10. You can easily see, you can easily see that 1 by 10 cannot be a digit, so it is rejected. So x equal to 2 and y equal to double of 2, 2x. So y will be 4. So a number will be, first 10 digit will come 4, then 2, 42. So 42 is the required number. Find the number. 42 is the required number. Okay. How many of you got this 5 marks question now? Sorted? Can we move forward? Yes or no? Copy it. I am waiting for you. I am giving you 2-3 minutes. Copy it. Try to understand this concept. Okay. These are very heavy concepts and solvable easily, right? It's not impossible to solve all these kind of stuff with your hands. Okay. You can use your mind to solve this, but this is the way. Now check. A two-digit number, answer came out to be 42. It is 7 times the sum of a digit. Sum of digits, 4 into 6. 6 into 7, 42. That means our answer is correct. Also, it is 2 more than 5 times the product of digit. What is product of digit? 4 to the 8. 5 times 5 8 is a 40 and plus 2, 42. Right? In this way, you can cross check also. Copy this. 42 is the correct answer. And mark my words, these kind of questions can appear as it is in your exams. Okay, these are good questions, especially these two-digit number questions. Done, everyone. Everyone, done. Okay, let's move forward. Let's move forward. So, scored 72 out of 80. That's so nice. That's very good. Very good. Very good, Ritik. Very good. Very good. So, sorted. This is section D, question number 32. How actually this question is going through? You must write. Okay, write. You must learn how to write and explain each and everything, right? Next question. Yes, already done, but I was waiting for Ritik also to complete. Okay, that's the reason. Okay. Hmm. Question number 32 B part. This is good question from quadratic equation. Every question is good, sir. Yes, but especially for these 5 marks question, section D. Okay. You tell me one thing. How many of you know this concept for quadratic equation that uh, Find the values of p for which this quadratic equation has real and equal roots and like that. How many of you know this concept? How many of you know this concept? Hmm? Any one of you? Tell me. In this question, what we have to take for the value of discriminant? Tell me fast. Tell me fast. Fast, I'm waiting. Find the values of p for which the quadratic equation p plus 4 x square minus p plus 1 x plus 1 equals to 0 has real and equal roots. Also find the roots of the equation so obtained. Now this question is to be solved. Yes, d greater than equal to 0. Very good, Ritik. Excellent. Sorted. I think okay. This I have told you earlier also. Hmm? Okay, let's see. Find the value of p for which the quadratic equation given as this has real and equal roots. Now see, the answer which you have given, Ritik, okay, JP sir fan, okay. Now this is not exactly correct. Okay. Don't be so happy. See, it's given real and equal roots. Real and equal. Real and equal roots means d has to be equal to 0. What the point? D has to be taken equal to 0. Now what the question is, write down. Equation is p plus 4 x square minus bracket p plus 1 into x plus 1 equals to 0. This quadratic equation has what? Real and equal roots. So for real and equal roots, you must actually put d equal to 0, right? If it is only real roots, if it is given only real roots, right? Real roots. That means d is greater than equal to 0. If it is given real and distinct roots, real and distinct roots, real and distinct roots, it implies d just greater than 0. If it is given simply equal roots, then write d equals to 0. If it is given no real roots, you must copy everything d less than 0. Okay. So these are actually there are only three conditions, but this upper one is exclusive. Upper one, okay. If only just real roots is given, it's not mentioned that they are distinct or real. You have to take both the conditions, greater than and equal to 0. But if it is given that real and distinct roots, d greater than 0. Okay. So this is one concept. Now, next. Now this equation is given. Now find its d. D means b square minus 4ac equals to 0. What is b? B is complete this term. Minus of p plus 1. It's square, whole square. Minus 4. What is a? A is p plus 4. What is c? C is 1. And that's equals to 0. Got the point? How we did this? Got the point? Yes or no? I think yes. Okay. Sorted. So now what should I write? Tell me. Minus of this whole square means this whole square. That means p plus 1 whole square. So p square plus 1 plus 2p. Listen this thing. This is negative of square, negative 5, negative 6 like that. So negative 5 square is also 5 square only. So negative of p plus 1 whole square will be p plus 1 whole square only. P square plus 1 plus 2p minus 4p minus 16 equal to 0. So here it is p square 2p and minus 4p minus 2p. 1 and minus 16 minus 15 equal to 0. This is solvable by easily by splitting the middle term. You have to think of two numbers, sorry. P square minus 2p minus 15 equals to 0. Think of two numbers, multiply minus 15, subtract minus 2, minus 3 and 1. So do it. P square minus 3p plus p minus 15 equals to 0. Take out common, p common, bracket p minus 3 plus 1 common, sorry. No, 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 5 threes are, sorry, 5 and 3. 5 and 3 will be factors, okay? Minus 5p and plus 3p. Now take out common. 5 threes are 15, okay? So p common, p minus 5 plus 3 common, p minus 5 equals to 0. So here it is p minus 5 into p plus 3 equals to 0. So either p minus 5 equal to 0, you'll write either p minus 5 equal to 0, or what you'll write? Tell me. P plus 3 equals to 0. So p will be here 5 or p will be equals to minus 3. If you put 5 or minus 3, the required equation will have real and equal roots. This is the final answer. P equals to 5 and p equals to minus 3. Okay. P equals to 5 and p equals to minus 3. Okay. These are the answers. What the question says. First part is this. P equal to 5, p equal to minus 3. Okay. But other part is also there. Other part is also there. How many of you are alive in the class? Let me see. How many of you are alive in the class? Let me see. I am waiting for your present, sir. Okay. Please write present, sir. Let's see. Kindly write present, sir, in the comments. Uh, yes, we also have to find. Yes, beta. Yes, exactly correct. Akash, correct. We have to find. We have to find. Yeah. Roots also. Also find the roots of the equations so obtained. So we have to find two equations. We have to find two equations. Now what you will do? P plus 4x square, p plus 4x, p plus 4 into x square minus p plus 1 into x. P plus 4 into x square minus of p plus 1 into x. This was the equation, yes or no? P plus 4 x square minus p plus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. Plus 1 equal to 0. Now you put p equals to, one time you put p equals to what? 5. Another time you put p equals to minus 3 and get the equations. So 5 plus 4, it will be 9x square minus 5 plus 1, 6x plus 1 equal to 0. Got the point? You just have to put the values. This thing minus 3. So let's put minus 3 plus 4x square minus of minus 3 minus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. So it is x square minus 3, 1. Minus 3 minus 1, it will be, no, minus 3 plus 1, sorry. Minus 3 plus 1 will be what? Minus 2, yes or no? Tell me. It will be minus 2 and minus plus. So plus 2x and plus 1 equal to 0. Now you have to factorize both of these equations and get the answer, right? If you factorize this, try yourself. The factors will be, product will be 9 and sum will be 6, 3 and 3. So 9x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Take out pairs. Splitting the middle term, everyone comfortable? 3x minus 1. This is minus 1. Again 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So 3x minus 1 into 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Either this equal to 0, x will be 1 by 3, or this equal to 0, x equal to 1 by 3. Similarly, you'll solve this. It will come out to be x plus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. Either this equal to 0, x equal to minus 1, or this equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. So there are total of these 4 answers for the roots of the equations. Okay. For the roots of the equation, there are total 4 answers. Okay. So this is how we are going to solve question number 32. Right? 1 by 3, 1 by 3 was value of what? Yes, roots. P equal to 5, P equal to minus 3 is answer, but 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and minus 1, minus 1. Yes, correct. So this is complete answer. X equal to 1 by 3, x equal to 1 by 3, x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1, and P equal to 5, P equal to minus 3. This complete is the set of answers. Okay, so you can copy it. Copy it. This is question in front of you. I think it is a big question. Good practice for you. Good amount of practice for all of you. Copy it. Then we'll move forward. Wait. Please do it fast. We have to do one more question. Done. Okay, can we move forward? Can we move forward? Okay, let's go. So I think this is very much clear. Next question number 33rd. Question 33. Oh my god. BPT, huh? BPT. So it is so very easy. Yes or no? You just need to write the statement and prove. We have done BPT earlier. How many of you have attended the session for BPT? How many of you? Tell me. Hmm. Tell me. Okay. Can we move forward? Stop fighting. Let dogs bark. You know, the elephant goes on the way and the dogs keep on barking. Let them bark. Don't worry. Okay. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides in distinct points, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Prove it. That means this is BPT, right? This one is BPT. Okay, line is drawn parallel. Let's say triangle is ABC. This is D, this E. This line is given parallel. You have to prove this upon this. AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. We have done this proof so many times. I'm not going to repeat it again. Okay. I'm not going to repeat it again. You must refer to the previous lectures. I have done it so many times. Okay. Now, also said the converse of above statement. Converse will be the ratio will be given. What converse says? The ratio is given equal. The ratio is given equal. You have to prove the lines to be parallel. Okay. Converse is what? What is forward BPT? Proper BPT is what? That line is given parallel. You have to prove the ratio is equal. Converse of BPT says what? The ratio is equal. You have to prove the line is parallel. Okay. So this is question number 33. Let's move on to next question. But don't forget to complete this question after this class only. Okay. 34th. Question number 34. Okay. So that's the question from the chapter surface area and volumes. Okay. So that's it for today. We are ending the lecture right now. We have done 2-3 questions. What questions we have done? You just practice them. At least 15 marks weightage we have covered today. Okay. So we'll be meeting day after tomorrow. Tomorrow is 10th. 10th is Matholics off. Tomorrow is holiday, right? We'll be meeting day after tomorrow. That means on 11th of December Thursday. Okay. So that's it. Goodbye. Take care.